Vatel Spain is not just a school. It's the beginning of a global journey. In a world where borders are fading, where cultures meet, and where people from every corner of the planet connect every day, there is an industry that transforms curiosity, passion, and ambition into extraordinary careers: hospitality. At Vatel Spain, we shape the next generation of leaders into international hospitality and tourism. Here, education goes far beyond the classroom. Our students combine academic excellence with hands-on internships in some of the world's most prestigious hotels. Because we believe the most powerful learning happens at the very heart of the industry. Vatel Spain is not just a school. It's where ambition meets opportunity, where talent becomes leadership, and where the future of international hospitality begins.